In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download games on PS5 Digital Edition. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you have to go to the PlayStation Store and then here go down, and first you will see all of the latest release here. If you want to search, go up and go to the search icon and press X, and from here you can search for the game that you want. So here on the PlayStation Store home screen, you will see the latest, and here you'll see what's hot, the top 10 games in your country, featured games, and here new games. Then here you will see the games that are available for pre-order. Here you will see demos. Here you will see more games. Here you will see all of the games that are free to play. So you can see which games are here available to download for free. Here you will see if you only want games that are made for PS5, you can select this. If you go here in genres, you will see games according to genres: sports, horror, role-playing, action, adventure, and etc. Here you will see all of the games that are available free to play. Here you will see all of the games that are made for the PlayStation VR. And so if you want to buy a game or download a free game, let's say if you want this game, go on that game, press X. Now here I already have this game in my cart, so I am seeing here the button to add here that this game is already in my cart. So let's say I want to buy this game. So here you will see the price of the game. Go on it and press X, and here you'll see the editions. Choose the edition that you want. Press X, and here you see all of the games that are available in your cart. So if you want to delete a game from your cart, go on that game and press the right arrow on your controller, sorry, the left arrow, and you will see the bin option, the bin icon. Go on that, press X, and that game will be deleted from your cart. So now to buy the game in your cart, go on order and pay and press X. Now here select the payment method, credit, debit card, or redeem codes and gift cards. So if you select credit debit card, you will here see two options. The first is to scan the QR code using the PlayStation app, and from the PlayStation app you can pay for the game, or you can go on use controller instead and enter here credit debit card number and all of the details, and then press X on continue, and you have to continue with the process of buying the game. And if you go on redeem codes and gift card, here you have to enter the gift card code. After entering, go on redeem and press X. And so this is how you can buy games on PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. Thanks for watching.